Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I am coming today to show you my design team package for the month of December. I ordered a creative paper clay, and I just love that this is small. It's not that huge block. I believe they have the larger size as well, but I ordered this one because I feel like I can use the whole thing at once and not have it dry out on me or something like that. So the item number for this is 13309. It's 4 ounces, and I think this is the perfect size for those of us who don't do clay, you know, large quantities at a time, you know, like a lot of it. So I love the size of this clay. So creative paper clay is what this is. And then I ordered the mini calendars, guys. They have the mini calendars in stock right now, so you might if this is something you're interested in, you might want to run over there and get some because they go pretty quick. So they're 3x2, and they have how many calendars in here? 10 calendars in here. And the item number for that is not on here, but let me get it for you. So these are the little calendars. I used these last year, and I already have a project in mind that I'm going to use that on. Let me see what that product number is. It's 26075. So these are $2.95, which is, I think, a great price for 10 calendars. That's 10 projects, guys. And then I ordered, guys, I really love this brand of paint. This is True Gold. It is 13141. Great coverage. I mean, it goes on nice and smooth, and the colors are so vibrant. Love this paint, Lumiere. So this is True Gold. Okay, so there's the product number for that one. And then I ordered some Stamen, and these I ordered just because of the colors. 16369, and it's got 20 pieces in there. And look at these beautiful gold, there we go, these beautiful gold ones. The pink ones are just as beautiful as the gold. But yeah, so I ordered these. You know, I use a lot of gold and pink. So there's that. And then I ordered this flower shaping essentials kit. It says the kit includes the stylus tool, 3 nibs, and the embossing mat. You know, I typically use the shaping mold from Heartfelt Creations, but sometimes you just gotta, you know, shape something else or give it a different shape or something like that. So I got this one. Item number is 9214, and there is that. Let me open this so you guys can see. So it's got the mat. This is really soft. Oh my goodness. It's really soft. And then here is the stylus and the little nibs that go at the end. That's great. I like that. You just put them in there. Yeah, no, they come out, but I mean, you have to really pull them out. Oh, this is going to be great, guys. I think I'm going to really like this. There you go. So there's that. So I think this is a great tool to have in your arsenal. And then this one, guys. I've showed some of these before. I have a special project in mind for this one. I'm hoping it works out. And number is 16347, and it is the Petite round frame. So it comes with 2 frames, and I love these. I love these frames. So they are the Prima brand, Memory Hardware, and this one's designed by Frank Garcia. I really do hope it works out. I really do. I think it will. Oh, it had a little bit of extra on there. But yeah, guys, I think this is going to work out for what I want. Very, very pretty. And I needed a white one, and these are already white, so I don't have to worry about painting these. So there is that, the decorative frames. I love that it comes with 2 of them. Guys, I ordered some rice paper. I know I've ordered rice paper before, but this one's so pretty, and I've already started a project. This is gonna go on. So I thought, you know what? Order the rice paper and use it. So this one's by Stamperia rice paper, and this is, I don't know what size this is, but it's huge. It is huge. So I am going to finish that project up with this rice paper. So the rice paper is an A3 size. It doesn't have an item number. It just says roses and piano. So you would type that into the search bar, and this would pop up. Roses and piano. That is so pretty. And the last thing I ordered was the Score Pal 8s. So it is marked like every 1/8 inch. So I think this is going to be my go-to scoreboard. I love that it has all these numbers on the top. I really like it already. I haven't even used it, but I really, really do like that. And the item number for that one is 18009. So guys, that is my design team package for the month of December 2021. All right, guys, thought I'd show you what I ordered this time around, and I will talk to you later. As always, I will have that discount code in the description box, along with a link to their Etsy shop and their online shop. And the last time I went, like for Black Friday, I went to their online, and they're converting from Etsy to the online store. So you may find more on their website than you do on their Etsy store, if that makes sense, because they're converting everything over. So I would head over there first and make sure that, or see if everything that you are interested in is in their online store. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.